What if your next road trip didn't just cross highways, but conquered mountains, deserts, and places most motorhomes would never dare to go? Today, we're stepping inside a beast that blurs a line between a luxury apartment and an off-road truck. This is the new 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome, and it might be the most extreme motorhome ever built. Welcome back to the channel. Now, when you hear the name Kenworth, you think of legendary heavy-duty trucks. Machines built to haul massive loads across continents. So imagine that same DNA, that same toughness, transform into a rolling luxury home. That's exactly what Kenworth has done with this 6x6 motorhome. From the outside, it looks unstoppable. The bold, muscular front end, high ground clearance, and massive all-terrain tires instantly tell you one thing. This motorhome is not made for campsites only. It's made for adventure. Thanks to its true 6x6 drivetrain, power goes to all 6 wheels, giving incredible traction on sand, snow, mud, and rocky terrain. Where normal RVs stop, this one keeps moving. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome packs serious muscle. A heavy-duty diesel engine delivers massive torque, allowing it to climb steep grades and carry its weight without stress. This isn't about speed, it's about confidence. Confidence that no matter where the road ends, your journey doesn't have to. And that's where the story gets interesting. Because once you step inside, the rugged exterior gives way to something completely unexpected. Comfort, calm, and luxury. This motorhome feels less like a truck and more like a high-end apartment on wheels. The interior is designed for long-term travel. You get a spacious living area with premium seating, smart storage solutions, and large windows that bring the outside world in. After a long day of driving through wild terrain, this becomes your personal retreat. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, solid countertops, and enough space to cook real meals, not just quick snacks. Whether you're parked in the middle of the desert or deep in the mountains, you're never giving up comfort. The sleeping area is quiet, cozy, and well-insulated, designed to give you real rest. And the bathroom? Fully self-contained, with a proper shower, toilet, and water systems built for off-grid living. What truly sets the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome apart is its self-sufficiency. Large freshwater tanks, advanced battery systems, solar support, and rugged construction mean you can stay off the grid for days, or even weeks, without needing hookups. This is freedom in its purest form. And that's why this motorhome matters. It's not just another luxury RV. It represents a new kind of travel, a shift away from crowded campgrounds and predictable routes, toward exploration and independence. It's built for adventurers, overlanders, filmmakers, remote workers, and anyone who believes the journey should be just as exciting as the destination. The 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome proves that you don't have to choose between strength and comfort. You can have both. You can cross harsh terrain during the day and relax in total comfort at night. So whether you dream of crossing continents, escaping the city, or simply owning one of the most capable motorhomes on the planet, this machine delivers something rare. True go-anywhere living. And that's the magic of it. If you enjoyed this deep look at the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this motorhome off the grid, or is it too extreme for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Minibus dashing away.